What up? You got Mr. Smith, point five of Mr. and Mrs. Smith. And before I go into telling you about this testimony, what I want you to understand is that you can get access to the same exact system that this person was able to use to benefit and take their score from bad to excellent. And I'll talk more about that later. And I'm going to even put a little icing on the cake. You can get a free credit class if you click the available link below, so you can just get an understanding of how we teach in the area of credit, so you can get an understanding of it. However, if you're serious, like most people that we run into who are serious about bettering their credit and you're ready to just take action, we'll make that link available to you below so you can get it at a discount, because that cost, the price will go up. So that being said, we want you to take advantage of it while you can. So time is not necessarily on your side. You want to take action as soon as you can, so that way you don't have to pay more. Even though if you did, it would be working. Anyway, that being said, let's go. This testimony comes from a king by the name of Andre. So Andre had a story that led to this, and all he did was use our simple system to make it all happen. We got people all across the nation benefit from this system. It's the #1 DIY credit system on the planet. However, if you want your credit done for you, then you can set up a consultation for free with us. And if, you see the value and we feel like we can assist you, then we'll bring you on. If not, no big deal. We just want to let you know that, hey, if you need assistance with restoring your credit, we can assist you. However, if you want to do it yourself, we got the #1 system on the planet, and it's accessible, inexpensive. That being said, this is what Andre had to say. Andre said, look, after being laid off 5 times with a computer science degree, my good credit went to bad credit. I joined MyEcon 5 years ago with no job and started learning and applying the MyEcon income shifting strategies, which includes the My Credit system, the same system that you'll get access to, plus other things that allow him to do what I'm about to say. He said, I've been debt-free for a few years, and I've cash flowed over $250,000 from home. He said his credit scores are below, but you can see his credit score is a 792 and an 802. So even though he got fired from those five times, or laid off 5 times, even though he had a degree, because what you got to understand is these jobs can necessarily care less about your degree. When they have to make a decision that's a business decision for the company, they will make that decision regardless of how you feel and regardless of what it does to your financial situation. For him, it took his good credit to bad credit. But our system took his bad credit to excellent credit, and that's what I love. But what I want to point out is that over the course of 5 years, he cash flowed $250,000. That's $250,000 that he cash flowed in 5 years. That's an average of $50,000 per year. Now, why is that important? Because at the time of this recording, a person can get access to the system for $39 and $39 a month. And we teach you how to bring in more cash flow, get out of debt, better your credit, learn investing, the whole 9 yards. What some people tend to do is they'll look at that as a expense. They'll look at that as another bill. They're like, $39, I don't want to spend that. That's another bill. That's another expense. Not knowing that it's an asset. They can bring them back way more than the small $39 investment that they made. So you got to understand the difference between cost and value. If something is bringing you back more than what you put in it, don't look at that as an expense. Don't look at it as a bill. Look at it as though you are losing money by not having a system. So your $39 is worth going into that, because it can help bring you more cash flow. It can help better your credit, which saves you a ton on interest. It can help put you in a better financial state, knowledge-wise, as well as something that you could pass down to others. Imagine if he would have said $39 is a bill or another expense. He would have left $250,000 on the table over the course of 5 years. He would have lost $50,000 per year by not having a system. So my question to you is, how much are you leaving on the table by not having access to the system? Yeah, we can help you better your credit. Hands down. You follow the steps. Everybody who follows the steps gets results in a positive direction. Yes, we can help you understand how to get out of debt or learn investing and get a pay raise at your job if you qualify, which over 100 million Americans do. But it all starts with you taking action and understanding that that $39 is something that you were going to spend anyway in a drive-through or something else that's a liability, making other entities rich and wealthy, but depriving yourself because you thought that $39 was a bill, not an investment, not an asset. And that's what this is. We help you increase your cash flow, help you increase your credit score in multiple ways using a simple system, and you'll have support and guidance from myself, the team, my wife, etc., if you're serious about taking your credit and cash flow to the next level. So be like Andre. Don't look at this as an expense. Don't look at this as a bill. Look at this as an investment that can give you access to a simple step-by-step blueprint to better your finances, your credit, the whole 9 yards, so you can take your whatever your credit score is, whether it's good, bad, decent, so you can take it to the next level and make it excellent. So, that being said, all you got to do is click the available link below. It takes about 3 minutes to get started if you click the available link below. I also put something down there if you just need more information, because some people are like, I just need more, I need more. Not knowing that they prayed and asked for something like this in the form of a solution. Not knowing that they've been seeing us consistently educating and empowering people for years now, but they still need more. And what they're doing is just procrastinating. It's just an easy way to try to get out of the scenario, not knowing that the first step you take to make action makes you feel good, because it puts you in a state of progression. It puts you in a state of moving forward, because that's what it takes. It takes you to take action in order for you to get from where you are now to where you're trying to go. So I look forward to welcoming you to the team. Once you get access, I'll get a notification that says, hey, this person took action, they got started, and I'll send you your next step so I can make sure you get a return on your investment. It's bigger than you just signing up for me. I got access to the system, so I can care less from that standpoint. However, I do want you to get access to the system so I can give you access to the next steps and then get a return on your investment so you can realize, wow, that was the best $39 I spent, because it showed me how to bring in $500 extra a month. It showed me how to better my credit score. It showed me how to do X, Y, Z, whatever that goal may be for you. So that's all I got for this video. I hope you got value. Look forward to you jumping on the inside so you can take action and take advantage of everything that's available to you. Mr. Smith, signing out. Salute.